Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Okay, all right, here we go. So there's the do now. All right, let me scroll down a little bit. So let's see. All right, so the question is I would like you to sketch the net of this triangular prism. Okay, so go ahead, take a few moments. All right, press pause, and then when we come back, we'll go over it. Okay, all right, let's see. Where should we start with? Yeah, we should start with the base, right? So let's start here. So it would look something like this. Okay, so let's draw this here. Now, what are the dimensions? 4, 15. All right, let's see. Where next? Let's go here. So we'll do this side, which is this. Now, what is that? That is 5 by 15. Okay, yeah, all right. And we'll try this side. Right, this rectangle here on the left side of the prism. What is that? Same thing. Let's see, what is that? 5. Yeah. All right, and then what am I missing? I'm missing the two triangles, right? So 1. And then 2. Okay. Now, the height of the triangle, by the way, this is an isosceles, acute isosceles triangle. Okay, so what is that? That's 3. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Yeah. All right, let's see. Unit 8, day 34. What's today? Is today Friday? Yeah. Okay, so today's Friday. So, go ahead and do the, what is that? The Friday participation homework. Okay. That's only one question, so do that. And then, let's see. Announcements. I don't really have any announcements. All right, I think by now I have put the grades into the system for Miss Beth to see, and then yeah, and then you'll see a report card next week, I think. All right, where are we? So we were, yeah, we must have began this part yesterday, right? And I think that's it. We stopped after that, and then today I said I was gonna let you practice. So we'll do that. All right. Let's see what's the best way to do this. I might have to shrink this because I want you to see as many of these at one time as possible. Now let's see. Would this be good? Yeah, it should be all right. I mean, I could draw a little smaller. And then we got 3 more. Okay, all right. You know what? Let's worry about that later. All right. So let's see. I think the type of triangle or triangular prism that you guys would need to practice on the most is something like the first one. Okay, because of the right triangles here. These, I think you guys got plenty of practice. So as a matter of fact, let me think. You know what? Let's combine today with what I was originally going to do for this. Okay, because there's no reason why for us to go any slower than that. So yeah, let's practice these 4. If you would like more practice, I'll show these 3 to you guys, and then you guys can practice on your own, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so yeah, and then Monday, let's do not Monday. Is it Monday? Yeah, Monday. Let's review this first. All right. So I have a video from Khan Academy and an activity from Khan Academy that I'd like you to try. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're just gonna do surface area. Okay. And then yeah. Okay. All right. So press pause right now. And when you come back, I'll have the answer key for these 4 questions for you guys. Okay, so press pause right now. Okay, all right, and we're back. So I did these three. Yeah, the drawings aren't very good. Okay, I mean, really, like, I mean, look at this one. Um, this question though, I got a question because I'm wondering the 8 means this for the rectangle, or is it the height of the triangle? I really didn't know, so I just assumed that it was 8. That means there's information that's missing. As a matter of fact, there's actually 2 pieces of information that's missing. There is a piece of information missing here, and also here, because it doesn't. It looks like this is a what? A scalene triangle. All 3 sides are different. So, and I'm missing like quite a bit of information there. But either way, all right. For our purposes, this is good enough. Okay, so check your answer there, and I'm gonna scroll down to show you 3 more. Now these 3 are optional, so go ahead if you want to do that. You can. If you don't, let's move on to the next topic. Okay. So again, if you want to do this right now, press pause. All right, try these 3. Otherwise, I want to move to the next topic. So here we go. Okay. All right. So nets of rectangular pyramids. So here's what we've done so far. We talked about rectangular prisms, right? A good old box. We talked about a Toblerone kind of box, right? A triangular prism. And here we are. Now we're talking about the nets of rectangular pyramids. Now, I do this all the time. I always say triangular pyramids, okay? As a matter of fact, there was a video that I made for the tutoring where I constantly said triangular pyramid. I keep making the same mistake. So this is a triangular pyramid. Now, I can't draw this. You know what? Let me see if I can go online and look for one. Okay, and then I'll show it to you guys. Hold on. All right, I'll be right back. All right, through the magic of television, I was able to procure a triangular pyramid. So this is the difference. Look at these two, and then also these two, right? A triangular pyramid, the base is a triangle, right here. So if you draw the net, as a matter of fact, you will get nothing but triangles. So the net will be just a bunch of triangles making up the net. Whereas for a rectangular pyramid, the base is either a square or a rectangle. Okay? So, and this is largely reminiscent. Remember when we did complex figures and I had told you guys to find the area, right, of a figure like this? That's exactly what this is. So this is a rectangular pyramid, and the way again you would identify it is that at the base of the shape is either a square or a rectangle, and not this. Okay, not this, not this. Okay, all right. Now that said, I think you already have an idea of how to unfold the box, right, so to speak. So if you were to unfold a box like this, it will look something like this. This is why I decided to combine the 2 today, because originally I was going to save this for Monday, but then like there's no point. This is so easy. So, all right. So this is a square base, right? 20 by 20. I will draw the 4 sides. Now, all four sides are similar, right? You see that? So I don't even need to distinguish this by color in this case. Okay, I'll show you what it means next. So you just draw this. So that's the net. Okay, so what's the height? So this 20 by 20, the height's 26. Like that, and that's it. That's how you do this one, okay? Let's try this next one. So here we have a rectangular base. So I'm going to draw the rectangle here. Now, again, there are no numbers to label, okay? So in this case, Now, I want to point this out to you, that there are 2 different types of triangles here. One, we got this thing going on. All right? I don't know if purple and purple is the best thing to do. All right? Right? This relatively narrow triangle, and also this one. And then these two, triangles, they're wider. All right, I just want you to notice that. Like it looks more like this. Okay, again, like this is really a terrible drawing. Okay, so you would get something like that. Okay, now this last one, I don't think this last one is very good actually, because like I can't. I mean, this is, yeah. I should not have used this. I think I just couldn't find enough of them to go around. All right, so here we got your 4. Again, like without numbers, really hard to draw. Okay, but I do want to make the point that all rectangular prisms look something like this. Okay, now how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whereas a what was it again? Whereas a rectangular prism has 6 sides when you fold out the sides, right? And a triangular prism has 5 sides. So do rectangular pyramids. They have 5 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, all right. So let's see. I'm just gonna let you practice and then call this a day. Now, how are we doing on time? Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So let's practice on this now. Let me move this up here. I'll do one of these with you guys, and then yeah, see, I didn't use that many examples because I knew this was like super duper easy. Yeah, all right. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's try one together. Let's try this one, and then I'll show you the answer for these 3, and then we'll just call it a day. Okay, all right. Let's see, and then don't forget to do the Friday class participation homework. Okay, it's only 1 question. Okay, all right. Now, let's see. Now, here, I don't like this because it doesn't show me the base here. So I'll just draw my own base. Okay, so that's a 5 by 5. It's a square. And then I got the 4, I got the 4 triangles. Now, what's going on here? Now, these triangles, okay, this is not good because they gave you the sides of the triangles. So these are isosceles triangles, but they did not give you the height. So that's actually not good because there's something we're going to do next week. Is it next week? Yeah, next week, where we actually need the height because we need to find the area. So it's okay. For this one, it's fine. Okay, it's no big deal. This one, oh wait, I gotta let you practice with it, right? So this is good. Okay, so let me press pause right now and press pause in your video too. And try these 3, and then when you come back, you will see the answer key. Okay, and that's it. Okay, all right. So press pause right now. Okay, all right, and we're back. So what was I gonna say? Yeah. So this one, all the edges are measured 4 inches. So that's actually a square at the base. But I tried a couple of times to draw this into a square. It was very difficult. So I ended up just making it look like that. Now I know many of you are saying, "Hey, look, that looks like a rectangle." I don't disagree with you, but here it says all the edges measure 4 inches. Okay. Again, this is problematic because we don't have the height of the triangle. Okay, that's problematic. Not right now, but for like next week. So we're gonna have to not use this as an example for next week. Now the last 2, much improved. Okay, it's a 6 by 6, and then the height of the triangle is 5 inches. Okay, so that's good. This last one, notice how the sides are different, right? So this is not a square. This is a rectangular base. So here we have 7 by 18. And thus, there are 2 types of triangles. The narrower triangle has a height of 13 meters. The wider triangle has a height of 10 meters. So notice how I have to label both of them. They're different, right? So notice, right, here 7 and 18, that's I only have to do that once. Whereas I have to label this height 13 and this height 10. Okay, so how are we doing on time? Okay, perfect timing. So let's see, what was I saying? So let's wrap this up on Monday. Okay, so on Monday I'm going to show you a couple of questions not a couple of questions. I'm going to show you a Khan Academy video, all right, that wraps up this whole topic, and then an activity on Khan Academy that also wraps up this whole topic. And I think that might be it. So yeah, that's what we'll do Monday. We'll do now and then those two things. Okay? All right. So yeah, that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I will see you guys Monday. So bye-bye. Okay. Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Don't tell me you don't miss that bell.
OMG, that was so good.